Shenzhen Noyafa Electronic Company Limited is located in Shenzhen City and was established in 2009. Noyafa has been rated as a pioneer of innovate products by users and customers. They currently sell 10 different categories of products, including 100 different models. The lineup of products include LCD cable testers, cable continuity testers, multifunctional cable detectors, optical multimeters, CCTV testers, underground wire tracer, laser distance meter, GPS area measurements, and network toolkits. The Noyafa sales team is a group of positive and energetic young people. They're a hard-working team where the spirit of unity, where excellent communication skills are expected. Noyafa provides a good work atmosphere with mutual encouragement and common progress. Our associate factory have a 3,000 square meters factory, including 10 production lines using the most advanced equipment. They have received positive reviews from customers in the use of advanced equipment in their manufacturing. The products have been approved by the certification along with CE, FCC, ROSE, REACH, and other certifications. They have also been awarded a number of patents in the area of technology development and applications. Noyafa is committed to providing its customers with the quality products that represents the best value for our customers' audio investment. We are dedicated to your continued satisfaction. Now Noyafa's products have been successfully sold all over the world and have won a good reputation. Noyafa, your cable tester expert.